The question says to compute the center of gravity for the L section. So here the L section is composed of two rectangles, and here the L section is not having the symmetry about X or Y axis. So if that is the case, then both the X and Y centroidal coordinates can be determined for this situation. And let's say the origin is defined at this location. Let's say this is the origin, X and Y axis. It is being defined at this location. So now all the measurements has to be done from this origin. So let's call this as area 1 and this would be area 2. So area 1 is, the height would be, the height is 2 centimeters and the breadth is 8 centimeters. So area 1 will be 16 centimeters square. Area 2, it is this height from the previous height from the bottom rectangle is 2 centimeters. So height of the second rectangle is 10 centimeters. Now area 2 will be 10 into 2, which is 20 centimeter square. Now the x coordinate of area 1 is required to be found. So x coordinate of area 1 will be directly 8 by 2, which is 4 centimeters, and y coordinate of area 1 will be 2 by 2. That is, this distance will be 1 centimeters and this would be 4 centimeters. Let me correct that. And y1 will be 1 centimeter. Same way, x2 needs to be calculated. x2 will be somewhere here. So this distance is 1 centimeter, that is 2 by 2, and y2 will be 2. The area number 2 is 2 centimeters above the x-axis. So that means we have to add 2 plus the breadth of area 2 is 10 by 2 it would be. So this is 2 plus 5, that is 7 centimeters. Now we need to calculate x bar and y bar. So x bar will be equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2. So a1 here it is 16 into 4 plus a2 is 20 into x2 is 1 divided by, this would be 16 plus 20 is 36. So 16 4s 64, 64 plus 20 is 84, 84 divided by 36. So this will be 36, this will be slightly greater than 2. So upon calculation, we will be getting the value as 2.33 centimeters. This will be x bar. Same way y bar will be a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. This is 16 into 1 plus 20 into 7 divided by 36. It is a1 plus a2 is 36. So this is 16 plus 140 divided by 36. So this is 156 divided by 36. So this value will be slightly greater than 4 because 36 fourths is 144. So upon solving, the y bar will be equal to 4.33 centimeters. So for non-symmetrical objects, the x bar and y bar can be estimated. So as per the diagram, or if we try to capture it, the x bar from the origin, so this is 2 centimeters and y is 4 centimeters. So 4 means somewhere here the centroid is expected to lie. This distance would be 4.33 centimeters, and from the y-axis the distance would be 2.33 centimeters. So for unsymmetrical objects, both x and y coordinates will be determined.